Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address on the KuCoin app. If you're looking to update the email linked to your account, here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Security. Under the Security section, tap on Email. Then, tap on Change Email and click Confirm. A verification code will be sent to your current email. Enter the code. In this example, it's 611,720. Once you've entered the code, click Next. Now, input the new email address you want to use, then tap Send to receive a verification code at that new email. After entering the new code, click Activate, and your email will be successfully updated. In this video, I'm just demonstrating the process, so I won't complete the change. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more.